Hi, this is Moby. Join me as I draw another main character of an anime I just finished watching. Today, we will be drawing Hibino Kafka as Kaiju number 8 using acrylic paint on a canvas. Hibino Kafka is the protagonist of Kaiju number 8, portrayed as a determined and resilient individual within a world besieged by monstrous threats. His journey begins as a member of the cleanup team after a kaiju was eliminated by the defense force. He was working in the sidelines while trying his best to pass the exam and eventually joined the defense force to work side by side with her childhood friend Mina Ashiro. It has been both his and Mina's dream to work together in fighting kaijus, but Hibino encountered setbacks along the way. Hibino was working at Monster Sweeper Incorporated, as always, cleaning a kaiju corpse killed by the 3rd Division. At work, he was then introduced to Lino Ichikawa, a new part-timer who wanted to join the defense force just like Hibino, who had already attempted to join them but had given up due to his age. Much to Lino's disapproval and Hibino's chagrin, as they were both assigned to intestine duty, Hibino helped Lino during his first day, and at the end of the day, Lino thanked him and informed him that the defense force had raised their age limit to 33, raising Hibino's hope once more. Note that Hibino is now currently 32 years old. Moments after, Ayoju appeared and Hibino promptly pushed Lino away, saving him from being eaten. He then sent Lino to call for help as he would hold back the Yoju. The Yoju easily overwhelmed Hibino, but Lino managed to return in time to save him from being killed as well. A moment later, both were saved by the 3rd Division and its captain, Mina Ashiro. That night in the hospital, Lino thanked Hibino for saving him and added that he should try to join the defense force once again. Hibino agreed, but suddenly a small flying kaiju appeared, and after saying, "I found you," it entered his mouth. Hibino then transformed into a humanoid kaiju, surprising Lino and an old man who raised an alarm. Surprised by Hibino's new overwhelming strength, the duo ran out of the hospital. While they were running, Hibino sensed Ayoju emerging and headed to help a little girl in danger. He easily killed Ayoju and recalled his promise to Mina. He decided to try for the defense force and at that moment turned back to a human. Despite lacking the physical powers of some of his peers, Kafka compensates with intelligence, adaptability, and a strategic mindset. His resourcefulness in combat situations often proves crucial in overcoming formidable opponents. Throughout the series, Kafka undergoes significant growth both in terms of his combat skills and emotional maturity. He grapples with the complexities of his role, the consequences of his actions, and the relationships he forms with fellow Defense Force members. As the narrative unfolds, Kafka faces numerous challenges, both in battle against kaiju and in navigating the intricacies of military life. Each victory and setback contributes to his evolution as a character, showcasing his resilience in the face of adversity. Hibino Kafka's role extends to beyond mere protagonist status. He serves as a catalyst for exploring themes of heroism, sacrifice, and the nature of humanity's struggle against overwhelming odds. His journey resonates with readers as he strives to protect what he holds dear amidst a world fraught with peril. In addition to his personal journey, Hibino embodies larger themes within Kaiju number 8, such as the blurred lines between humanity and monstrosity, the consequences of unchecked ambition, and the bonds forged in times of crisis. Hibino's character really resonated with me, being a 32-year-old who is also still working on chasing her childhood dreams. His character has also a lot of relatable qualities. He is earnest and driven, and he possesses a strong sense of justice and also a lot of humor. In life, we have a lot of plans and dreams for our future, and sometimes life happens, and we tend to forget all about the lofty dreams we made for ourselves and just tend to settle for the now. It may be because of lack of talent, opportunities, or the like. But Hibino Kafka is different. He was able to make major life setbacks to propel himself forward with life. Kaiju number 8 is indeed a must-watch shonen anime for 2024, especially for those viewers who loves to watch main characters' journey to achieving their dreams in life. It is an old but somehow new take on shonen animes, mainly because of the age of the main character. Kaiju number 8 is still on its first season, but I am really looking forward for season 2. The best part in watching this anime is the cliffhanger part at the end of each episode, with the famous ending theme song. Music maestro. Nobody got you the way I do. Whatever demons you're fighting through, when you need somebody to turn to, nobody got you the way I do, the way I do. Nobody, nobody, nobody. Well, so much for that. By the way, who is your favorite anime main character, and what is his qualities that you like best? Comment down below and see you in our next drawing session. Always remember to stay positive, work on your dreams, and love hard. Have a great day ahead, and thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.